back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Baby Jane. Welcome back again to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be cooking white rice, yeah. So this is my water, so I allow it to boil before adding rice in. So this is my rice. So this is the rice that I'm going to be cooking today. This is it. So I don't know if you can see it well. So this is the rice that I'm going to cook. So I just want to show you guys how to cook rice, white rice, So I am going to add in my rice now. So let me just make it 2.5. So 2.5 cups of rice. So the next thing that I'm going to do now, I am going to be covering my pot to boil. Covering it makes it boil faster, So I'm going to be leaving it for like 2 minutes. As soon as it boils up, as soon as it started boiling, I'll just take it and wash it. I'm going to be showing you guys everything in this video, so stay tuned, guys. Subscribe. So guys, can you guys see how it's looking right now? So the rice has started boiling, So now it's time for me to wash it, So let's wash it together. Stay tuned. So guys, first thing, you are going to be needing this sieve. I know it has filter, So you are going to be needing this filter to filter this rice, to filter the water out. So this is how I do mine. So let me set my camera good. So this is how I wash my rice also. So this is it. This is it. So you can easily pour your rice here, then use this one to wash before turning it inside the filter, But this is how I do mine. It makes my life easy, At this point, the pot is on the fire, so I'm going to add in salt to make it easier. So time to add in salt. You have to test to know if everything is okay, if the salt is enough. The salt don't have to be too much, so the salt is enough. I'm going to turn in my rice. So this is it. I don't know if you can see it well. So this is it. You have to turn, check if the salt is enough. I want to add a bit of salt, then stir together, cover it to cook. So guys, at this point I want to check my rice if it's ready. So you have to test it. No, it's not ready. The salt is okay, so it's time to add in our water, a bit of water, I like my rice to be soft because of my children. I always like my rice to be soft so that they can be able to eat it, So see guys, so guys, I am here to check if the rice is ready. I want to check if the rice is dried. So it's like it's dried though. Okay, remain small. Can you guys see? There is water. So let's wait for the rice to dry. Yeah, so guys, sorry in case the camera is shaking. So our rice is ready, so I want to dish it now, So this is our rice. It's ready. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below. So this is our white rice. It's ready. So now it's time to add in stew to eat it. You can use any sauce you want. You can use any sauce of your choice, sauce, stew, soup to eat it. So thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. Stay safe. Bye.